Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6. Subject is English, and the chapter is 3.6, and the name of the chapter is The Merchant of Venice. Now here we will see the small story of the Merchant of Venice. Antonio was a merchant. Antonio is a name, and he is a very big businessman also. Merchant means it is a businessman who lived in Venice. He was living in the Venice, a prosperous city in Italy. This Venice city is situated in Italy country. At that times, that means in those days, what happens about 500 years ago, sea voyages were very dangerous. But at that time only this type of business was going on, the sea voyages only. But at that time the sea voyages also very dangerous. So some adventurous merchants traveled across the seas. So some others spent a lot of money in sending the ships to faraway countries. By sending the ships from one country to another country, by that only they were started doing the businesses. So these were adventurous merchants. So they used to spend a lot of money in sending the ships. So these ships were brought many spices. They used to bring back the spices and many other treasures also from the India and many other countries. So these merchants were sold all these things, whatever the things which comes from the voyages, that means comes from the ships, they used to sold these things in the Europe country. So they made a lot of profit in this business. So at that time what happens, when the story begins, Antonio was waiting for his ships to return with the merchandise. Merchandise was also a business, those who were taken the ship for the business. So Antonio was waiting for his ship wherever he has spent a lot of money for the ships. He had put almost all his money in the ships. Whatever the bank balance was there, whatever the money he was there, Antonio has totally spent whole his money on his ship. So he was waiting for his ships. What happens now we will see. So Antonio was a very kind man also, and he had many friends. But the best friend was the Bassanio. Antonio's best friend was Bassanio, and Bassanio was a very young and very handsome nobleman. But unfortunately what happens, he had no money. Antonio was having lots of money and his friends was Bassanio. Bassanio was having no money, but he was looking very smart, handsome and very young he was. So Bassanio wanted to marry the Portia. Now here is one girl, Bassanio wanted to marry her. Portia was very beautiful and she was very intelligent also. And she was only the daughter of a very big wealthy man, means he was a very rich man in the city. So he has only one daughter. Her father had died, leaving her a large estate, means it was a very big business she was having. After the death of the father, she used to have a very big estate. So she only handling that estate. In his will, means whatever the will, property will, what written that Portia's father have written how Portia's husband should be selected. In the will only he has written everything, how the Portia's husband should be selected and which type of husband should be there with the Portia's. He had set a test for her suitors. So something was written in the will. They had to choose between 3 cassettes. 3 cassettes means 3 boxes was there. One was filled with total gold, one of with the silver and one of with the lead. Now we will see how the Portia was selected with this cassettes. Now see, you can see the pictures also here how the cassettes was looking. Each cassette had something written on it. So on the gold cassette it was written, whoever chooses me shall gain and what many men desire. Means first cassette, that means the gold cassette. In the gold cassette it was written that whoever select me, that means they will get whatever they want. So on the silver cassette it was written, shall get as much as he deserves, means whatever he was deserving, that much he used to get in the silver cassette. And we will talk about the cassette of the lead. In the cassette of the lead, whoever chooses this cassette of the lead, they must give and hazard all he has, means in the third one, the cassette, the lead cassette, whatever the man was having, he has to return back it, everything whatever he was having, money, property, asset, whatever he has to have. One of the Portia suitors, means the selection was going on, in that things one person came that he was the prince of the Morocco. Now he started choose the gold cassette. He has started choosing the gold cassette, but when he opened the cassette, the message inside said that it was not the right cassette. Means in the above it was written anything, but by opening the cassette after the selection of the cassette, that thing what it has been went wrong. That means all that glitter is not the gold. Here we can understand by the message, that means everything is not the gold. So the prince of the Morocco became very upset. Now another person came, he was the prince of the Aragon. Now he has chosen the silver cassette, but it was also not the right cassette. Now Bassanio wanted to try his luck. Now because Bassanio was starting only Antonois, he has told to the Antonois that I want to marry the Portia. Now Bassanio wanted to try his luck with the cassettes. So he have traveled to the Belmont. This everything was going on in the Belmont, where the Portia lived on her estate. He needed money for that. For the traveling, he used to need the money. So, but Bassanio was not having a single money. When Antonois came to know about all these things, Antonois was the best friend of the Bassanio, so he wanted to help it out. So he told to the Bassanio that I will borrow the money, that means to the Antonois. Then afterwards they went to the Shylock. Shylock means he was a very big Jewish money lender. He used to share the money for those who wants the money. His name was Shylock, and asked him for the money. Through the Antonois, Bassanio went to him and he borrowed the money with the Shylock. Shylock had a lot of money, but he was not at all generous because he was not very kind person. Money was all that he cared for because he wants only the money. But he promised that he did not like Antony. From the starting only, Shylock did not like Antony, because Antony sometimes lent money to the people without charging any interest. Whenever they used to help Antony, whenever helped the people, he never charged the interest to the people, those who needs the money. For that only, Shylock was not giving the money to the Antony. So Shylock decided to take the advantages of this situation, because he told the situations about the Bassanio to the Shylock. He gave them the money on a strange condition. Because of the one condition, he gave the money to the Shylock. If Antony failed to return the money within 3 months, Shylock would cut off a pound of Antony's flesh, means the part of the body. Some flesh he used to cut off from the bodies. Who have told this? Shylock have told to the Antonois. Now the Antony agreed to this conditions and borrowed the money to the Bassanio and given the money to the Bassanio, and Bassanio now went to the Belmont, where the selection was going on in the for the Portia on her estate. When he saw the cassettes, he chose the lead one. Now the 3 cassettes again has been kept. Now he has to choose one cassette. Now Bassanio have selected the lead cassette. That was the right cassette, and the Bassanio won the Portia's condition, and he has chosen the hand of the Portia. Now Portia and Bassanio was feeling very happy, and they had married to the Bassanio. At that time only what happens, the Shylock heard that the Antony had lost his ship. In the starting part only we have heard that the Antonies have spent all his money to his ships, but his ships had never came back. He was very happy that the Antonite would not be able to pay the money. Now the Shylock was heard that the Antonite's ship was also lost, and he could not pay the money also, because he has given the 3 months. Now he have kept the one condition also. Now the Shylock thought that now I will fulfill that condition. He took Antony to the court and demanded that now he has to fulfill the strange conditions and the cruel condition whatever I have told him to before giving the money. So then what happens, the Antonite was very sorry and very worried about also, and this things was not heard by the Bassanioid, because the Bassanioid was knowing these things. Portia and Bassanioid was not knowing about these conditions. But what could do now? Antonio had written a bond to the Shylock, because he has agreed the condition of the Shylock, and according to the law, Shylock was right. So in the court, when Bassanioid and the Portia heard all these things, they rushed back to the Venice. Then afterwards what happened, Bassanioid and the Portia, whenever they have heard all these things, they came back to the Venice, and Portia told Bassanioid to pay the Shylock twice the amount, that means 2 times whatever the amounts he was took to the Shylock and given to the Bassanioid. So Portia told that now give twice to him and save the Antonio. But Shylock was adamant. Now he was very shocked by seeing this, but he demanded only a pound of Antonio's flesh. Now the Shylock was saying that now I don't want any money, but I want the flesh of the Antonio's, a pound of Antonio's flesh. Now everyone in the court was very silent, including the Duke. They felt that Shylock's demand was inhuman, but there was no humanity in the Shylock's demand. Everyone was very shocked in the court. Now in the court, the Duke asked the Shylock to show mercy towards the, means show little bit kindness to the Antonio, but the Shylock was not ready to do anything. So he felt that Antonio and others had treated him badly before, because he was thinking that everyone was treating very badly to the Shylock. Because of that only he wants to take the revenge. Because of taking the revenge, he was demanding that I want a pound of Antonio's flesh. Now what happened? A young lawyer entered the court. Now he said that he would fight Antonio's case. Now suddenly one lawyer entered the court, and he told that I will fight for the Antonio's case. He asked Antonio whether he had agreed to the Shylock's condition. It's a fact things, before only we have saw it. Before taking the money, Antonio have agreed all the conditions to the Shylock. So Antonio told, yes, I have agreed to the condition. Then the young lawyer requested to the Shylock to show the mercy, to show kindness through the law which was kept by the side of the Shylocks. The lawyer pleaded that mercy is a quality of the God himself, because he told that if you will show the mercy to that young man, or kindness, because this is one of the good quality of the God himself. When a person shows mercy to someone else, they are both blessed from the gods. So in this way the lawyer was speaking to the Shylocks, but mercy was more valuable than a king's crown. This was told by the lawyer, but all this had no effect. But the Shylock was not agreeing any words, any things in the court. Now the young lawyer at last said that the law allowed Shylock to take a pound of flesh, but he could not do that. At the same time, the lawyer warned that while cutting off the flesh, Shylock should not shed even one drop of Antonio's blood. Now everyone was agreed, okay, you want a pound of flesh, you can take it down. But whenever you are cutting the flesh of the Antonio's blood, not even one drop of the blood should be shedded down. In this way, the lawyer had told to the Shylock. Now then afterwards what happened? He should cut exactly only 1 pound of the flesh only, nothing else also, nothing more, not a more and not a less. It should be exactly 1 pound, and not a one single even drop of blood should be shedded down. So this was very shocked for the Shylock, that the Shylock would not be able to allow this law. So now the Shylock realized that yes, whatever I was doing, it was very wrong. So the young lawyer told him that, and he accepted everything. Yes, I was doing the revenge with the Antonio's. So now the Antonio's life was saved because of the young lawyer. Now Bassanioid and Antonio found out. Then afterwards none of them other than Portia herself. Now she was dressed with the young man. So in this chapter we have learned that he has told, because we have to show the mercy to anyone, we have to keep some humanity also. At last what happened? Antonio's ship also safe, and it came back to the Venice city. So this was the chapter. I hope all the points are clear.